And what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. And today we're going to show you how to build the stage. This is from Stage Rentals, and we actually bought this stage, and they're pretty good. And today we're going to show you how to install them, how to put it together, and all that stuff. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. The stage we got is from Special Events Rentals in Edmonton. And basically, you can rent out stuff here. It's cheaper, but when we're looking at buying and renting, we need this like permanently in the building, in the church. So therefore, we just bought it because it costs about the same and you're gonna keep it for longer. We just went with the stage deck, which is for the indoors stage, and this has different heights. We're able to get the 24-inch height here with the stage deck, but we ended up keeping it at 16 inches, which is the lowest it can go. But at least we have that option to go up to 2 feet. Again, tons of options. They also sell stairs if you want to use stairs, and they also have skirts that we were able to buy as well. I just bought one set of stairs from them, about 16-inch high, so that was perfect on the lowest level anyway. But without further ado, let's go ahead and look at what we have here. Now these stages as well, the dimensions of it is 4 feet by 8 feet, and we have 4 of them. With the 8-foot long, you need to use 6 legs on each. They are also friction lock, which is really easy to use. You just need to insert the legs through this hole right here, and you press this back so you can lock it. Now the legs, I did mention that it's 24-inch, but they do give you 2 extra inches so that it would clamp into those 2 inches. This is also adjustable by height if you want to shimmy it. This is where you're gonna slide in the legs so that you can tighten it with this area right here. You need a 12mm socket to tighten those. And as you can see, you just slide in to whatever height you want. I was testing it out. We were leaving it at 24 inches. The bottom of the legs as well is rubbery, so it has a lot of grip. And you can swivel the legs if you want different angles. If you have uneven ground, it holds itself. As you can see here, it's pretty stiff. Now, if you want to put the stages together, it has a little hook that you hook onto it, and then you lock it in place with this little bar. Pretty easy. As mentioned earlier, this is how you tighten the legs, and it has some teeth to grab onto the actual leg itself. And you can tighten the nut as well, just in case if you want to, if it's too loose, and you can adjust the tightness through that. So you can see we're able to install all 6 of them, and then we'll just continue on for 4 more of these stages. Next up is the assembly of these stairs. As you can see here, it goes on via 2 bolts and a nut on each face of the sidings. Pretty much this has a built-in railings already. You can get one without the railing, you just have to tell them. It also comes with wheels, so it's easy to move around. Now the socket that we need for this to tighten this is the 17mm socket. Basically, you're gonna do this on both steps. There's only 2 steps, so you're just gonna use the nuts and bolts to put them together on the faces, on the side faces of the steps. It also comes with a bar, so it actually stiffens the steps so that there's more structure to it. And last but not least is to install the wheels on the 2 backing, like so, right below the bar. And then that way you can roll around the steps, and you won't have to carry it around. Now to install the stages together, as you can see, it has this little clip here that pretty much engages so you won't accidentally lift the stage off each other. The steps also has this clip, so it's actually clamped onto the stage so it won't just fly off or anything like that as you come down or come up the steps. The overall design of it is really good as well. Definitely recommend this for people who wants to have a portable stage that you can just, lug around if you want. Again, we're using this permanently at the church, but it is still nice to see that you can have a structurally sound stage. You can have wherever you want, set it up wherever you want. You can rent it out in special events rentals in Edmonton, or you can buy one as well. This is really good for all of that. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new staging for your church or different events that you want to use it for. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. Again, it's just a local store, which I like, because for big things like this, it's useful that you could just go to the store and buy it yourself instead of like shipping it somewhere, because you have to pay for shipping, you have to pay for delivery fees and all that stuff as well. That's it for the day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.